This is called Hempettone. It's our take on a traditional festive recipe called panettone.
So for preparing the Hempettone, we are going to need yeast, warm milk, dark chocolate, sugar, hemp hearts, butter, the zest of an orange and a lemon, strong wheat flour, eggs, vanilla extract, mixed peel, salt, and hemp flour. We are going to add the yeast and the sugar to warm milk.
Next thing we're going to do is melt the chocolate. Add the shelled hemp hearts.
The last 10 years we are studying hemp as a sustainable crop and has a lot of potential in terms of nutrition and environment.
Spread that onto a tray with some greaseproof paper. I'm going to put this into the fridge to harden.
Now we are going to mix the butter with the remaining hemp hearts, add the sugar, the vanilla extract, and the orange and the lemon zest.
For this recipe, we replace a third of the wheat flour with hemp flour. By doing so, we increase significantly the amount of protein and more importantly, the fiber.
Now we are going to add the eggs little by little to our butter and hemp hearts. Also, we are going to add a little bit of the mix of flour to stop curdling.
Okay, so I've got the yeast and milk mixture from earlier. I'm going to pour that into the center of the bowl with the flour. We're going to add the butter and the sugar mix and the hemp seed mixed candied peel.
Hemp has a capacity to trap 4 times more carbon dioxide than trees because it's a plant who grows very fast. So hopefully we will bring enough evidence so the Scottish government will start helping the farmers by subsidising it.
So this is the chocolate we put in the fridge earlier, so it's been in the fridge for a couple of hours. Basically making our own chocolate chips. And then we'll just knead that into the mix. Now we've got a dough, we're going to leave this in the bowl either a minimum of 4 hours or you can leave it overnight in a warm place. Put the dough into the tin and I'm just pressing it down gently, ready for cooking. 35 minutes later we've now got our Hempettone.
Now that the Hempettone is ready, you can put some melted chocolate on top.
As part of our research funded by the Scottish Government, we have shown that hemp has significantly reduced the hunger, also was very good for modulating several gut hormones that are involved with control of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes. Hempettone has fiber, has plant protein and healthy fat, so hope you enjoy it and you decide to cook it for Christmas.